We have a 2019 Honda Accord, and I'm gonna show you how to change out the cabin filter. We're gonna open up the glove box, and we're gonna remove everything. If not, when we drop the glove box, everything's gonna fall to the ground. So it don't take no more than 20 seconds to take everything out. Okay, with the glove box empty, we're gonna push this side in and push this side in, and it should drop down. Okay, now let's take the cabin filter out and let's have a look. Now you see all those leaves, that's pretty bad. Alright, so we're gonna put the cabin filter back in. So as you look, there's a arrow pointing down. So we're gonna grab the new cabin filter right here, and this is the arrow that's pointing down. So we're gonna put it in this way, and then we're gonna slide it in. And that's it. Pretty simple. Now we're gonna do reverse step. So these two hinges right here and right here, we're gonna push it in, and then we're able to slide everything up. And then we're gonna put everything back in the glove box. Now let's close the glove box and make sure everything is moving the way it's supposed to be. Let's push this down. And that's how you change out a cabin filter for a 2019 Honda Accord. I would recommend changing it twice a year or 3 times a year, up to you.